Everyone. So today in this video we are going to learn again the how to link about the sheet to presentation. So yesterday we understand on the Google Sheet to Google presentation. Today in this video we understand the Microsoft Sheet to Microsoft presentation. By the way, I am using the OneDrive that you can see this is the online. So if you don't have the Microsoft Office 365 in your desktop or laptop, so you can use it the anywhere anytime. Okay, so this is the really helpful. And let's start the today video. Here you can see the employee's name, employee ID, department, and salary. Okay, and here I already create the pivot table. So here you can see the department wise sum of salary. Okay, if you want to the change anything, so you can change here and value filter top 10 whatever way you can the filter and you get the data. Okay, so we already discussed the many times. Okay, and on this pivot table, I create the this chart. Okay, so this chart is when I click on the chart, so chart tab is you can see. Okay, and you can edit the anything in color. Here the chart title. You want to change the your chart, so you can change it. Okay, chart title, axis title. You can do legends if you want to do legends. So something. So suppose I want to do right. So here you can see the right side, but I don't want. Okay, because the already is here, so don't need to make messy. Okay, data label if you want to the show, so you can. So I use the here the outside it. Okay, that's why it shows this way. Data table. This is the data table. You can if you want to see, so you can use. Otherwise, don't delete. And the format is very important. You can change color, bar, and different things you can do in OneDrive. So, in comparison to Microsoft 365, it's good, enough good. But if you want the more access, yeah, you want the more use with efficient and the network issue. So that time you need to Microsoft Office 365. So you can do very well. Okay, so we are working to practice on the OneDrive. Okay, so this is the chart we already get, and if you want to change color, so simply right click and you can see the symbol is the fill and the outline. So you can change one by one. Okay, let's move the presentation. So this is the my presentation. I already opened and I select this slide. Okay, so this is my slide is ready, and now I just right click here and go move chart. Google Sheet, there is the copy chart and here the move chart. So simply copy. Sorry, I forgot this. Just need to copy. Sorry, I forgot it. So I just copy the chart and here the paste, and you can see that is going on and see your chart is here. Okay, so you can give the outline. So if you go to the, so you can give the outline and share whatever you can add. Okay, so here, if you want to go to your data, so edit in Excel. So here is option you can see, and update option is here. Here the refresh data, refresh the chart. So it's going on. Okay, so with this way you can update your the chart in presentation. So let's here the in HR. So I change it in here finance. Let's change the in finance. Suppose 1 lakh and enter. Finance there is finance. So okay, one moment we are focused on 1 lakh. So here the total is the 297. Okay. So let's add the Okay, now what have we need to do here? We need to refresh. Okay, so we need to refresh the pivot table from here. So pivot table is here. Okay, and you need to refresh all. So 297, and now here you can see the 549. So your chart and pivot table is updated here. Okay, now let's move to the presentation. Here is not updated. Here is show the 297. You can see. Now let's update the refresh chart. It's take a second, so we need to patience. Okay, so again I try the refresh chart. Okay, here you can see the update now is finance is updated. Okay, so you can link your the chart from Excel to a presentation, and you can update without the copy paste. Okay, so with this way you can link your the Excel sheet in presentation. And if you want to the change, you want to see the Excel sheet, so here is option. So that's it about this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you next time.